What do you want to name it? Because dishes have their name. Adakado.
The Adakado Khakra Churan.
People have been seeing your work very closely. Yes. And that movie, like even now, like if I fear watching it. I fear watching it.
Yeah,
I have to stay away from you right now.
No, but in that, I stabbed myself like 6
Yes.
times in the leg or something.
Have you ever been possessed in your life?
I should hope not.
Especially when you have shifted right now to the new house, people talk a lot about it, you know,
Right.
because it's late Sushant's house and all.
In movies, we see that only at night there are spirits and you ghosts, or somebody gets possessed only in, when it's a dark, haunted castle, these Victorian now.
Yeah.
You see, but in real life, there are spirits everywhere. Like right now with us, standing next to you, there is a spirit. Between us, there is one. It doesn't have to be night and it doesn't have to be alone, and you don't have to be alone. And I think if you're a good person and you're true to yourself, the
You
good
don't-
spirits
yeah.
will come to you and not the... all spirits are also not bad. Next time ऐसा कुछ करेगा तो मैं बोल रही मेरे को जबरदस्त प्यार हो जाएगा तुम्हारे से और मैं होठों पे चपका दूंगी एक दिन. I used to keep saying मुझे कोई चाहिए जिसका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर हो. बट अब मैं सोच रही हूँ अगर उसका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर मेरे सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर से अलग हो देन वर्स है. सो आई एम नॉट श्योर. आई शुड ऑल्सो से कि मुझे बहुत इंटेलिजेंट कोई चाहिए जो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हो. बट आई एम नॉट श्योर बिकॉज बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हो तो आपको मेरी कमियाँ आपको याद रहेंगे.
और फिर वो बार-बार पॉइंट आउट करेंगे, you know, it's that is
थोड़ा
going
सा
to be
डम में भी चल. आई डोंट मे बी.
Hi, this is Amina Sheikh here on Zoom channel on my special show What's Cooking, and with me right now I have Adaki Ada, and you could see her Ada right now what is happening. So join me as I welcome her only on What's Cooking, featuring only on Zoom channel.
Well done.
Well done. Short, one take, done.
Yeah.
You know, the entire thing what she's going to make today, it's only by her. So it's going to be
Okay.
Ada's secret recipe which we are going to get right now.
सीक्रेट है.
Yes.
आई एम वेटिंग.
I'm waiting, so
सीक्रेट जो उनको
chef,
पता है एक्चुअली
please
मुझे
come.
खुद का सीक्रेट नहीं पता.
Hi, good afternoon, hi.
Hello.
I'm Chef Ravish, I'm the executive chef at Amelia. So here what we are doing is, we are doing avocado crostata. Like we see everywhere, it's a trend of avocado. So we have tried a different recipe which goes with a baked tortilla, which is very thin and crisp. And then we are adding some avocado carpaccio on top. Finish with some chili and orange dressing and some lemon vinaigrette on top of it, and it's one of the best sellers at Amelia. Like people goes, wow, like something different out of the box.
Wow, that's amazing, and I could see that ये entire mixture करने में हमें ज़्यादा time नहीं लगने वाला है. I'm sure, right?
This is like मैंने एक scene किया and movie successful हो गई and I said it's me. This is that I guess. But it's okay.
But
Let's do that.
try. So let's
what
start
should we
with
start with?
what? I think we'll start with avocado, then we'll move on to salads.
Okay.
Do you cook at home?
No.
What do you cook basically? What do you like to cook?
I don't like to cook. I know कि लोग कहते हैं कि cooking is very therapeutic, पर मेरे लिए बहुत stressful है.
हाँ, अच्छा.
मेरे लिए acting therapeutic है और बाकी की चीज़ें जो मैं करती हूँ. But cooking just stresses me out. I feel I don't know. I find it very stressful. I love eating the food that someone else has
Everyone
cooked.
does.
So as you could see that of course Ada ने ऐसा इतना यानी cooking में try नहीं किया, but today let's see it turns out to be a good therapy or not. That we'll get to know. But chef,
Yes.
thank you so much for your
You're
time.
welcome.
Thank you. Now we'll
Have a
make
good
it
time
and
with
now
us.
we'll feed you.
Sure. I'm gonna here for tasting.
And
Yeah.
then yeah,
Thank you.
we have to try cutting avocado.
On that note, let's try this.
First, gently peel the
How much do you like
avocados.
avocado?
I quite like avocado, though I don't eat too much at home.
Yeah.
I don't know why, because I'll tell you why actually. When I buy the avocado, either it's too ripe or it's too raw, and then if it's too raw, then I wait for 2 days, and then it doesn't turn ripe. या तो वो एकदम ripe होके वो काला हो जाता है और मैं 2 दिन खाना भूल जाती हूँ avocado. तो anyway, वो उसका भी stress है, तो मैं नहीं खाती हूँ avocado.
So Ada, आपके यहाँ पे like because आपने आपका नया घर भी खरीदा है and you have bought a house which is very much in news actually all the time. How things have been for you when you have been staying over there in Bandra, buying your own house, you know, cooking food for yourself, or probably you may have someone who
It's
knows
great.
helping.
I don't cook my own food by myself.
Yeah.
I have Lalita Maushi at home.
Okay.
Who cooks for us, and my mom also cooks.
हाँ.
पर मेरे घर में ना हम लोग we don't ये avocado में seed है ही नहीं.
Wow, it's seedless. Wow.
मैंने seed को गायब कर दिया. Like there's no seed. No, there is a seed.
There
Sorry,
is
guys.
yeah. I was
Sorry.
getting so happy. I was
But,
like, wow.
I mean आधे तक seed नहीं आया. Even I got shocked. I thought this is like
See
a
this
seedless
in
avocado.
case if you want.
But I've cut in straight lines, huh? Okay.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So Ada,
हाँ,
this is
चलो.
your special plate wherein you're
Okay.
going to just make this.
Awesome.
This is your. It looks like khakra to me.
It
you know, when I
does look
saw
like
it. Yeah, it
khakra.
does
You
look
want
like
to taste
khakra.
what it tastes like?
Yeah, let's taste.
It tastes like khakra only.
Yeah.
It's quite nice actually.
It's a
It's
nice
kind of
khakra.
sweet.
So you have to put this first.
The guacamole that's
Yeah.
already made, this I did not make.
Okay. But you know to make guacamole.
इसके ऊपर हम लोग ये slices डालने वाले हैं. I believe cooking should be done very fast. Okay, at home also.
I could see that you
Yeah.
just want this to be prepared and you just want
Yeah,
me
for
to
me
taste
it's a
it.
task.
Yeah.
Like acting I love, so I like to go into the depths of it and all. Cooking I don't. I just
Yeah.
want to make it so we can all quickly eat it up and then get on with the rest of our lives because it's a very stressful activity, I feel.
Okay.
So,
So am I
and
stressing
now-
you right now with this?
No, you are not stressing me.
The food is.
Making this food is.
But this looks so colorful also, no?
This is going to be this is like the toughest action scene I've done.
Yeah.
नहीं-
wow.
Okay.
ऐसे ऐसे हो गया Ada,
It's
ऐसे हो
very
गया.
nice, the flavor
It
of
happened. Chalo, we have done this also.
Very nice. Then these are already cut pieces of this
Grapefruit.
Grapefruit.
But are these grape and this is
Yeah,
the
this is-
tangerine? I
This is
think.
grapefruit.
Yeah,
ये भी
then-
डालते हैं इसके ऊपर.
हाँ, उसको भी डाल रहा है. What is this?
Rocket lettuce.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll put some of that also. So we
Looks
can put
good.
this. It looks very nice.
I think you have to put this first. So here you go.
So I was going
And then the flax seeds actually. It's the
Some sour
Arabic, some
powder.
sour
What did he say
powder.
it is?
Yeah,
I forgot.
sour powder.
I love flax seeds. Okay, flax seeds. And
This
then,
looks good.
You know, my grandfather
Haan.
used to do this
Yeah.
when we ate food. So we used to have a papad, and he used to crush this papad, and he used to say that there's thunder and lightning happening over your food, and he used to like go like that. Chili and orange sauce. I'm going to write A. I'm going to try. A. Acha, one more dressing we have. This also we have.
Yes.
You want to try to do like
Star? अच्छा
no,
वो
I was
decoration
trying to do
yeah.
like
spicy तो नहीं हो जाएगा ना हमारे लिए?
oh shit. If it's too spicy, we can put some more
You have this,
avocado.
no, but-
Flowers.
Yeah.
We made some spicy something.
Yeah.
It's over. So pretty. So nice.
Looks very good. What do you want to name it? Because dishes have their name.
Adakado.
Adakado. Adakado.
The adakado khakra churan.
Yeah, instead of avocado, it's adakado.
The adakado khakra churan. Ah, my flower. Oh no.
Tomato.
On my white shoe.
Happy birthday to Ada for making a new dish. And this you want to do?
Yeah. Cheers. I mean, it's yum because the ingredients are very tasty. It can't go wrong.
It's actually
It's
very
very
good.
nice.
Now that we've made this, really try cooking when you are on the sets of a movie.
No,
Have you ever tried?
no.
No. What do you prefer like when you're on the set? What do you prefer eating?
So if I'm in Bombay, then my mom sends me dabba ghar se because I really like ghar ka khana.
Okay.
And if I'm staying in a hotel or say it's not in Bombay,
Yeah.
then I make friends with the chef who's in the hotel and I tell them bina pyaz,
Really?
bina garlic, bina aise wala khana do. And it's easy anywhere in the world. Khichdi is the easiest thing you can get everywhere, right? You just say moong dal, you say rice, and you say put like a vegetable in it, like matar or so you get your protein from the matar from
Yeah.
it.
Huh.
And then I tell them keep it ready in the morning at 8 o'clock. So I take it to set and I eat that. Then I make friends with the chef who's in the movie. Like on a set, you usually have a chef who.
Correct.
And ऐसे जो भी आप भाजी बनाने वाले हो दिन में, like suppose आप भिंडी आलू बनाने वाले हो, तो वो तेल और सब कुछ डालने से पहले keep mine out separate and give me that as the.
So he
that's
does
how
that.
I-
with you.
yeah.
But I've seen some of your Instagram reels also, and I see you getting very playful with the food, and you try something or the other different. You know, कुछ अलग-अलग
With
करके.
food?
Yeah. You do that, right?
Not in cooking, no.
Not in cooking, but basically what is there.
Yeah,
what is
I
served
like to
you.
mix. I like to mix things. Like when I was a child, I remember smashed peas and tomato chips, like fried tomato chips. That's very tasty.
Really, you like that?
Yeah, and when I used to go to birthday parties as a child, I remember they used to have like aerated drinks, the orange ones,
Huh.
and chana. But the chana, chole basically. Chole, I used to feel very tikha. I can't eat tikha food. I like
Huh.
bland food. तो मैं छोले वो एरिएटेड ड्रिंक में डिप करके सुखा के आई यूज्ड टू ईट इट
छोले को बेसिकली
आई कांट
ये
हैव तीखा
बहुत ही अदा का अलग
Yeah,
साइड
so
है
if
and I
that's,
have known that you are very quirky, you know, in terms of your
but
style, in terms of your
this was out
conversations
of
also.
only survival.
Yeah. But I really want you to clarify to people, like, are you Anu Malik's like daughter?
I mean, you saw the whole thing of that show. I entered there and I said, "Hi, I'm Ada," and then they said, "आप introduce क्यों कर रहे हो अपने आप को?"
हाँ.
So I said, "Just I don't know. Some people don't know who I am. I have to say." So they said, "Who doesn't know?" So then I said, "This happened when I had gone for this premiere, and at that point of time, I thought, and my brain works very quick. In that fraction of a second, I was thinking, should I say, you know, I'm Ada Sharma. I did Kerala Story, and I've done." I'm 1920, I've
1920
done,
act,
and
yeah.
I can do Kathak ke chakkar, and you know, or should I just say, yeah, I am? I mean, it's Sanjay Leela Bansal. If he thinks I'm whoever you think I am, I will be.
Yeah.
So I decided to just be.
Oh wow. Okay.
I mean, I don't take the best decisions in life, maybe.
But it was actually in a way because it just
it was
like
very
went
funny.
viral
It was
everywhere.
funny, yeah, but I don't know how good a life decision it is, but it was funny at that time.
Radha, I must say that, you know, in terms of your work, we have seen that 1920 के time से people have been seeing your work very closely.
Yes.
And that movie, like even now, like if I fear watching it. I fear watching it.
Mission
Yeah. I'm literally saying that, and you are actually like with this, all these things.
Yeah,
so
I had a knife
I'm
in that. No, I take that knife and stab myself. I stab him. It was so violent. I totally enjoyed it.
It's like just going
totally
back to
enjoyed
that,
it.
but actually making food.
Like making food, yeah.
Like making food.
Yeah,
I have to
that's-
stay away from you right now.
No,
because
but in that, what I stabbed myself like 6
Yes.
times in the leg or something.
Yeah.
There was a lot that was cut in that movie also.
But that
what
movie
you're,
was way too,
finally
you know,
saw.
heavy also. Have you ever been possessed in your life? Like, have you ever felt being possessed?
I should hope not.
No. Really? Never, no? Especially when you have shifted right now to the new house, people talk a lot about it, you know.
Right.
Of course, it's late Sushant's house and all. Did you kind of, you know, feared when you bought it?
No,
Slightly.
because I'm someone who believes that if there is any presence of any spirit, you don't have to be. In movies, we see that only at night there are spirits and you ghosts, or somebody gets possessed only in,
Yeah.
you know, when it's a dark, haunted castle, these Victorian.
Yeah.
You see. But in real life, there are spirits everywhere. Like right now with us, standing next to you, there is a spirit. Between us, there is one. It doesn't have to be night, and it doesn't have to be alone, and you don't have to be alone. And I think if you're a good person and you're true to yourself, the
You
good
don't-
spirits
yeah.
will come to you, and not the. All spirits are also not bad.
Of course. That's what even I have heard of, you know, all
They're
spirits
not.
are not bad. Have
I
you,
can take guarantee of that,
really?
yeah, all
and
are
I could
not
see like
bad.
some good spirits are working some magic on you.
Definitely.
The Kerala story really worked.
Yes.
Now you're coming with this new movie again, which
Yes.
talks about IVF. It talks about very important subjects. Ada, are you also kind of focusing more on social relevant subjects? Are you kind of like being, you know, emphasizing, because, you know, these topics are something which were never touched, and now kind of
Yes.
you're touching those topics and all?
I feel not just these subjects. As an actor, I want to do everything.
Huh.
So like right after Kerala Story, I did Sunflower too.
Yeah.
And in that's a fictional thing, and I'm an evil bad. And there's a lot of knife stuff happening there. Hatkoda actually in that. But no, I want to do fiction also. But yeah, true stories that you know are taboo subjects or that people are scared to talk about. I'm not scared. I want to get those stories to the
Yeah.
forefront. If I get a chance to be part of it, why not?
So now
Everyone
what are
should
we
be
making,
allowed.
Ada? But
We're making quinoa salad.
quinoa salad. They'll be
So
happy.
we're going to put the quinoa,
Okay.
and then we're going to put all that. I'm finishing all the food, so there's no wastage of food. Okay? Yeah. I make very nice rasam and sambar, by the way.
Oh, acha. You want to put grapefruit also, no?
Yeah,
Like removing
grapefruit
the-
will be very nice, I
है
think.
ना? Yeah, because
I mean, if it'll add a sweet
थोड़ा
thing
सा
to it.
taste, yeah.
We're not going to cut. We're just going to use our hands and do it.
Yeah. Slowly, just be careful.
Guys,
don't
I'm cutting
hurt
open
yourself.
se-
Yeah.
no, I'm
But
doing
that
open
is
se-
that reminds me of one of your stories, which is again going viral. डब्बा ओपन करते करते आपने खुद को हर्ट किया है.
Yeah, and
ऐसे
not
कैसे?
even a
कौन
nice
करता है वो?
dabba. Wohi, not even a nice dabba. See na. And it looks like I've like sliced my wrist. Should we just put long slices? It's just
I think this
easier.
looks good.
अच्छी बात है, मेहनत करना अच्छी बात है, खाने में भी
और इसमें से थोड़ा mix कर लो अब.
Okay.
Now that you have cut, now you have been honest.
The one that chef has already cut.
Yeah,
This is too
try
much
this.
for this, I think, though, right?
थोड़ा सा. It's
It'll
okay.
become a
ना?
fruit salad.
Yeah, but quinoa is there, and see, you need fiber.
Sure.
Yeah, you need fiber. So
Sure.
plum, you want to try?
Go for it. And very large avocado pieces because now I'm lazy. I can't.
Okay, yeah.
हो गया अभी मेरा patience level of cooking.
We can keep
you
it
know
in
what
this.
we have to do?
The
Oh my god,
decoration.
I'm very excited.
What?
We had a fruit salad competition in school,
Huh.
and we used to
want to go.
decorate. Yeah, we used to decorate the salad like that. You make eyes and mouth and all. Yeah, we can
Let's
try
do
that.
that. Chalo.
We have to mix this thing.
First, we have to mix this and we have to put the garnishing and all, no?
Up. Okay. And this is pepper.
Pepper.
Pepper is nice. I don't know salt. You put
No?
if you feel.
Chicken. If you don't
I'm
like
not
it,
a
then it's
fan.
okay.
Oh.
Flax seeds. You want to put this?
Please,
This
flax
was
seeds.
good.
Yeah. Put that.
Sumac.
Flax seeds.
Sumac.
These fellows also we didn't use.
Slight of sumac.
These are some microgreens. They're microgreens only.
This
It's
is
done.
good. Yeah.
I
this
am
is
interested in the decoration. Let's
Let's-
transfer.
done. Let's transfer.
If we decorate
Okay,
this.
this is done.
Okay. Okay. Now we can have ice.
Yes. The smile.
So creepy. This looks like a nice creepy.
It looks like Joker. Thoda sa, you know? Yeah, this has been added. Okay.
Ears are.
Yours.
What else do we have left? We wanted to make a mustache, no?
So this is the nose, the eyes, the smile. Now mustache, where will you put? Nose ko thoda shift karne do. हाँ, correct.
Now, are we decorating? There's so much food that we've just kept here, no?
I think this is done, no? Now,
done?
Now you're putting more? Anything else? No.
No, I'm just saying if you want to make it
Now we need a
prettier or
picture of
something.
Ada with the man.
Can you please speak with the Commando movie accent?
The Commando movie accent, okay.
Wow. You have a special farmaish right now, so you have to.
Also for movies ना हम लोग practice करते हैं वो accent. अभी बहुत time से नहीं किया. I'm just saying disclaimer.
अच्छा.
Before.
ठीक है.
तो the line in that movie is next time ऐसा कुछ करेगा तो मैं बोल रही मेरे को जबरदस्त प्यार हो जाएगा तुम्हारे से और मैं होठों पे चपका दूंगी एक दो. और मेरी हिंदी वैसे नहीं है मैं you know I go for interviews and then मैं normal हिंदी में जैसे हम लोग बात करें
Correct.
मुंबईया हिंदी में मैं बात करती हूँ.
हाँ.
And then people are like हाँ ठीक है अभी वो कमांडो वाला हिंदी बात करो ना.
हाँ.
And then they look at me very disappointed like आपकी हिंदी सही है अच्छा. Everyone wishes that I speak like that in real life,
The
like
commando
you
one.
do. The
Yeah.
commando one. He's also nodding. Yeah. See. So now हर जगह
But
मैं
you had
जब
to
भी-
practice this. This
या
commando
मैं
one.
ऐसा बात तो नहीं करती ना रियल लाइफ में मैं कहाँ ऐसा बात करती बहुत प्रैक्टिस करके वो टीचर सब रख के सेट पे फिर जिधर भी हिंदी करेक्ट हो रहा वो टीचर हिंदी को बोल रहा है ऐसा खराब करने को खराब नहीं बोल सकते खराब बोलना है
अच्छा.
तो वो रीटेक करना पड़ता क्योंकि फिर लाइव साउंड में रिकॉर्ड करना पड़ता लाइव नहीं बोल सकते लाइव बोलना पड़ता
अच्छा.
और जिधर भी थ है उसको त करना पड़ता जिधर भी ख है उसको क करना पड़ता तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता पर मेरे को ये बहुत एंजॉय होता क्योंकि एक एक्टर का ड्रीम होता है ऐसा अलग अलग एक्सेंट में बात करना
ये एक्सेंट काफी अच्छा था पर
हाँ पर मेरी
अब
कुकिंग
ये
स्किल्स अच्छी
cooking
नहीं है
skills
क्योंकि
अच्छी है,
हाँ,
हमने
मैं
खाया था
acting
already
पे
अभी।
ध्यान देती हूँ It's very nice but I took a bite of the grapefruit which is a little khatta.
But are you
Liquids.
into eating all these
Yeah,
healthy foods
exactly
and all?
like this. Yes, I love this, and I have a large appetite, a huge.
What's
huge
your
appetite.
go-to food when you're shooting, when you're working? Especially when I saw your transformation for some of your roles. You had to tone down, you had to look in a certain manner when you're doing action scenes and all. That time, what is your diet like?
Actually, my diet is pretty much the same. I'm pure vegetarian. I don't take any external protein. I try to make it up with food. When you're doing action and all, the thing is, you're training so hard in that your body just it'll just change itself like that. I feel my diet is very balanced, but I love carbohydrates and I really like carbohydrates. Constitute a large amount of my diet, and carbohydrates are my friend. They make my brain function and keep it sharp. So I really need carbs in life.
Which superfood you like to consume, which keeps you calm, which keeps you, probably like in the sanest mind? Because see, your work is very hectic. Being an actor is not an easy. I'm sure you're on the frame, then you have to manage a lot of things. Which is that one food, superfood, which you really like prefer having?
Quinoa I do. Is makhana superfood? Is it? I think
a way,
it
yes.
is, right?
Yeah.
Any of those range.
Superfood, yes.
We've tried
Or
to
probably
switch
food,
from
food
rice.
item.
Yeah, we've tried to switch from rice to jowar and bajra. In everything, like even kurmura that we were eating as rice. Now we're trying to do it with jawar.
Okay.
And makhana though is in all my bags. Like even today, it's in my car. It's in. we make it at home and like we put our own chaat masala that mama makes
हाँ.
is in that. So maybe makhana is something that I
How much of your diet has changed ever since you started off your acting career? Too
It's
much?
exactly the same that I was in school.
Yeah.
It's exactly the same. I don't eat. I mean, that time I did eat a lot of junk. Once in a way, I don't eat so much junk.
But now it's no junk. I could see that, the way you have made it and all. This is something you would prefer at
Yeah.
your home also?
I would.
What
I
are we
would not
naming
eat
this?
the refined thing though.
Yeah, because it's...
I would avoid that. Though once in a way, I think it's okay, and I allow myself that. Otherwise, I think I would go crazy. So I'm not so rigid about stuff.
Huh.
But I am rigid about things being
But as
vegetarian.
an
and all
actress,
is not.
how careful are you? Because y'all are on camera, your faces couldn't look puffy, in case if you're having a certain diet and all. And when you're facing the camera, they prefer a certain,
The roles I've played actually, I've not needed to be in extremely.
in a tone.
I've needed to look puffy for some stuff and all also, right?
Achha, so you had basically
Like Kerala Story and all, and I
Kerala
was
Story,
crying
yes.
every night. I mean, crying every day. So by night, my face would get like that, and I used to get up next morning with like sticky eyes and puffy face. But it was okay, it worked for the character. Everything, I think the main motive is to try to make everything look as real as you can. ताकि जब audience देख रही है उनको लगे नहीं कि acting हो रही है or like makeup है या hair. They should not think of those things, and at that point, whatever the scene is, whether it's a comedy scene or in a fictional movie या a real story like Kerala, you should believe कि ये actually हो रहा है. So वही है, that's the focus. I mean, that's the end goal, is that's what you want. So you work really hard towards that, I feel. I don't know, I give everything. I don't know how to do it anywhere else. So कोई भी emotion है तो I try to feel it, elevate my heart rate for something, or
Yeah.
like that dirty feeling that you get where you drop to the pit of your stomach. I try to recreate what we felt in real life.
Yeah.
But yeah, those things you've not felt. Like some of those scenes were.
Did it take
Brutal.
time for you, but to get out of that character? Because some characters stay, with the actors and all, and especially
Yeah.
something like this, too intense. Did it take time for you also to come back to like, okay, this is the normal world I am in right now?
Honestly, I don't think I've come out is a different thing, but some characters, all actually, a little bit of it always stays with you, I feel. And for Kerala Story, I feel it should stay with me, and it's not a character that you should do and just leave, because it's about some girls in our country and this is what's happened to them. It's about girls around the world and this is what's happened to them. And why should it leave? No, I should always know that that's what's happened to people, and how grateful we should be of our lives, and that
And how blessed we are.
how
in a lot
blessed
of
we
things,
are.
yeah.
We are freely here, cooking, and
Cooking.
they were not allowed to use a cell phone because it was illegal to use a cell phone, right?
Okay,
so
yeah.
I just feel very grateful. But yeah, a lot of that won't leave me, and a lot of that has like scarred me for life. But I think some scars are good. You should have that. And as an
Definitely,
actor, how do you separate it and totally? I don't know how to do that. A full cut off. I don't know how to do it.
After cooking, Ada, after cooking and making such amazing dishes and all, I could see that वो therapy कुछ अलग तरीके से काम भी कर गए, because you have forgotten that you're actually cooking. You are enjoying the flow.
Yeah, this
now
was
would
fun.
you try a hand at home?
No.
No, you will not.
I'm being honest.
I like that.
This was fun and all, but at home अगर मैं ये सब करूँ, मुझे
हाँ.
खुद साफ करना पड़ेगा. They won't let me make a mess in the kitchen and leave it like that.
Yeah.
Like
So
my
what
mom
do you
would,
prefer when you're during weekends? What do you prefer getting involved into? What do you like to do?
Not cook. Cooking just takes away so much time. It's an art. It's
Yeah.
not just I think a chef would be able to tell you that cooking it's an art. It's
Yeah.
got creativity. It's got so much stuff in it, and you're either But if I had to, absolutely I would.
Yeah.
This is my this thing, no matrimonial video. I'll take snippets of this
That
and make.
reminds me on a very important conversation, Ada. You said, in one of your interviews that you don't really want to get married, or you have lost the thought of getting married because इतना online या movies में कर लिया है वो चीज़, you don't want to. And then you have also spoken about your qualities, what you look into a man,
It's always. It looks like I have khud se spoken, but I have not. It's always I'm answering to someone's questions. The question asked to me was कि आपका dream wedding outfit क्या होगा?
हाँ, हाँ.
So I said that outfit is not the dream.
हाँ.
It's a nightmare to get dressed up like
Correct.
that, and
Yeah.
I don't want to only then. I want to get married to someone who thinks I'm beautiful. Like no, even now I've straightened my hair and all.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't look like this in the morning when I get up. I want to get married to someone जो मुझे सुबह भी देख के बोले wow, she's so beautiful. नॉट वेडिंग डिजाइनर लहंगा में तो सब खूबसूरत लगेंगे, मेरे बाल ऐसे करके भेजोगे मुझे, मैं अच्छी ही लगूंगी,
हाँ.
बट आई वांट कि जब नहीं किया है कुछ तो
Accept
गाय
कर
शुड
ले
फील
basically,
कि
yeah.
खूबसूरत है, कितनी अमेजिंग है.
हाँ.
दैट्स व्हाट आई मेंट एक्चुअली. एंड देन आई सेड मूवीज में कितना किया है, कितने आउटफिट्स पहने हैं, कितनी बार शादी हुई है मेरी, लाइक कितनी बार, आई डोंट नो, आई कैन जस्ट काउंट. एंड जब भी मैं शादी करती हूँ मूवीज में तो कुछ बुरा होता है.
Okay.
लाइक 1920 में भूत आया
हाँ.
मेरे अंदर शादी
हाँ.
करके.
केरला
केरला
स्टोरी
स्टोरी में
में
मेरे को सीरिया लेके जाके सुसाइड बॉम्बर बनाया.
हाँ.
एक तेलुगु फिल्म है क्षणम,
हाँ.
वहाँ पे आई जम्प्ड आउट ऑफ द टेरेस एंड आई डाई.
Okay.
There's only bad things
Happening when you have like gotten married and all.
I done this movie with Allu Arjun,
हाँ.
where I break off the marriage before the day of the marriage. There's always
Something or the other.
something or
which
the
happens.
other. But real life, it should be fun, I think. You should find someone who...
Who's stable enough to take care of you, and of course you're stable enough to
No,
take care
just take care of yourself.
of yeah, yourself, and then you will manage it.
I think
but
each
what
to,
is
you
your
take care of us. You take care of yourself. I'll take care of myself, and then we can be
happy
good
basically
together.
yeah.
This whole thing of expecting somebody else to
be in
and
a
I don't
certain
mean take
manner.
care. Like I'm not talking about financially. I'm talking about just if you expect all your happiness to come from someone when they are it's not going to happen, and then you're going to be resentful.
And then you're just going to regret like why I'm with that person. And
Yeah,
you keep
why
on-
he's not making me happy today. Instead, you concentrate on how will I make this person happy, because that's in your hands.
But do you also feel that this, how we speak about modern day love and all, do you feel that expectations from a partner should be minimized a bit? Like you be on your own, basically accept me. Like it's acceptance of individualities, is what I'm talking about.
No, it's difficult to also say acceptance also, because now suppose I don't like smoking.
Yes.
So now if he's a smoker and he smokes in my air around me,
हाँ.
मुझे गुस्सा आएगा,
Correct.
because I'll be like, and then you'll tell me accept करो.
हाँ.
प्यार
वो
है
नहीं,
तो
प्यार है.
accept him smoking, but
Correct.
I will be like you cannot smoke in my air.
हाँ.
So then I don't know acceptance कैसे बोल सकते हैं कि हाँ कर लो.
जो
वो
चीजें
भी-
जो नहीं अच्छी लगती है उसमें basically like kind of
I
adjust.
think choose someone जहाँ पे and मैं बड़ी हूँ, बड़ी आई relationship
You
advice
recently
देके,
said like
but-
your ideal man is something, so I really want to know his qualities.
what
do you
I
look
said. I like people being kind to people for no reason. Like if he's not getting something back from somebody, usually otherwise you have people who are nice to someone when they know that
कुछ लेन देन
कुछ लेन देन चल रहा है या बहुत ही important वेल नोन पर्सन है तो उससे आप प्यार से बात कर रहे हो, बिकॉज वो नहीं. आई मीन बी नाइस टू समबडी जहाँ पे you might not get anything else out of. So if someone is like that, I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed with men, and I keep saying this again and again. Men, anyone who can stay away from their phone and be confident in themselves without having to every 2 seconds look at their phone, I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed in stressful situations में अगर कोई अपना काम रख सकता है, I'm very impressed. And then I will gravitate towards people who like animals and all, because I like animals, so if you do, it's a nice thing.
Of course.
And I used to keep saying मुझे कोई चाहिए जिसका sense of humor हो, but अब मैं सोच रही हूँ अगर उसका sense of humor मेरे sense of humor से अलग हो, then worse है. So I'm not sure. I should also say कि मुझे बहुत intelligent कोई चाहिए जो बहुत intelligent हो. But now I'm not sure, because बहुत intelligent हो तो आपको मेरी कमियाँ आपको याद रहेंगे.
और फिर वो बार बार पॉइंट आउट करेंगे, it's that is
थोड़ा
going
सा
to be.
डब में भी चल. I don't maybe. I'm
So
not
also
sure.
basically chivalry, could be one thing, which could be one of the qualities.
Chivalry, yeah, depends on what
इंटेलिजेंट
I
पर
love.
ऐसे नहीं कि तुम्हें वो ऐसा अजीब फील करा है कि
वो
oh, I'm
मुश्किल होगा
intelligent.
मुझे करना.
हाँ.
मैं मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए. No, I don't do that, even if it's no intelligence. I'm not getting into only nice person या generic या जो सबको चाहिए ना
हाँ.
अपने पार्टनर में वो सेम चीज मुझे चाहिए.
Yeah.
Actually, we all want the same thing if you think about
Yeah,
it.
little qualities which are good basically.
Exactly
yeah.
the same thing. What do we all want? We all want love from a person who loves us back.
Yes.
सबकी qualities. If you ask anyone in this room right
Of
now,
course.
what is your ideal partner? It will be yours only. It's the same thing. We all want
Someone who loves us actually.
असली वाला
Yeah.
love, not
Yeah.
नकली वाला love.
Yeah.
You want a real person who's not the same. You want someone to like genuinely like you.
True.
Everyone will say the exact same answer. So मुझे भी same है. And treat me how you would want to be treated.
Correct.
I think. So if you like,
treat with love basically. is
however
what
you want people to treat you, you treat me like that. I
Okay.
think that's the best way to put it. So.
On that note, this conversation has been very interesting with you. And humor
was
is
fun.
one thing which is, right now we don't really know how humor is going to work for you. What kind of humor you like personally?
I don't know, change होता रहता है also.
Yeah, because it's कभी एकदम
And
से
no, even in situations in life, like कभी I was telling these guys that मैं कभी कभी बहुत स्ट्रेस में होती हूँ
हाँ.
एंड बहुत सैड चीज़ें सपोज हो रही है पर मुझे हंसी आती है. it's your body's defense mechanism. जब भी आपको like रोना आता है or you feel like what's going on, I smile sometimes because I'm like ये क्या हुआ अपने साथ. So that's also, I don't know, so humor keeps
It's
changing.
a dark humor in a way. for
Maybe,
certain
maybe.
situations.
But now if somebody else laughs at my plight, I would not find that funny. Na? अगर मैं रो रही हूँ and you are laughing at me, I'd be like,
It's like it's
So-
okay to laugh at your own misery than letting
maybe.
someone else.
So I don't know my definition of humor yet. But the other thing I think in any relationship, anything, especially a partnership, if your value system is the same, I think that will have less fights because means अगर आपका value system ये हो कि ये आपको गलत लगता है, and I think but it's okay, this is normal, you know, things like that. I think those right from wrongs, yeah. And oh, I'm adding to this list.
Of
If
course, you can. Yeah.
if I like headbanging parties and you like to stay at home and read a book, I think it'll be difficult relationship
kind of,
चलाना
yeah,
because
yes.
आजकल सबके life में इतनी
Poles
सारी
apart.
चीज़ें हैं तो you just get that little time to spend with someone. Now on my free day, if I want to go to like a rave and you want to like chill at home and watch a movie, then
But on that note, I really got to know a lot about you, about your work, about your food,
About my cooking.
about love. Before I let you go, of course, I'm going to ask you about your upcoming projects. I
Yes.
believe, like, of course, Tumko Meri Kasam is on its way.
Yes.
Of course, people have loved, you know, people are going to shower love on that.
Yes.
What's more for you?
there's lots of stuff happening.
Yeah.
But I think I've become a little, I don't know, superstitious or even after like Kerala
Just being
story.
like basically Nazar.
I don't know या कोई और कर
Yeah,
लेगा वो project.
yeah.
I don't know because इतनी सारी अच्छी चीजें जब है then I feel like if I talk about I don't know किसी और को पता चलेगा and they'll do it or
हाँ,
or I
it
don't know. It's
happens.
also more fun I think coming with the trailer and saying कि 10 दिन में release like I
हाँ.
did with Sunflower or Rita Sanyal also.
हाँ.
जब shoot कर रहे थे किसी को बताया नहीं था even Kerala story.
No.
I didn't tell people and then when we released the trailer people said this you are shooting for why you didn't tell and I said अच्छा है then I can say कि ये date पे है
Correct.
if I tell you now you'll say कब release होगा then एक महीने बाद दिल से कब release हो रहा है then एक महीने बाद दिल से अभी तक release नहीं हुआ I don't want that stress so but there's a lot of stuff there's a biopic that I'm doing
Yeah.
there is I'm doing something with horror also there is a sequel to something that I have done and yeah lots more exciting stuff action is also there comedy romance is also there.
But I have to tell you this, like Ada, in South, you have literally hold the grip over there. So
you.
how things are for you over there, you know, because we do see you doing a lot of South movies, and we do see that, you know, that movies are catching attention a lot. So
Right.
how it has been for you, you know, working in that cinema? Of course, like it is.
I feel it's actually, you know, like, for example, like 1920 when it had released, there was a dub that released in Telugu and Tamil. But they had not debuted in South, in any South language then. तो तब वो था and then मैंने suppose एक कन्नड़ा फिल्म की है राणा विक्रमा उसका जो हिंदी डब है जो मेरी आवाज़ नहीं है और उसका हिंदी डब है ऑनलाइन and लोगों ने वो देखा
हाँ.
देन केरला स्टोरी एक हिंदी मूवी है जहाँ पे हम लोग 50% मलयालम में बात कर रहे हैं एंड it was made by a Bengali director and Gujarati producer. Vipul sir is Gujarati and Sudipto Sen is a Bengali director. So I think it's become very pan-India now.
Yeah.
And I don't think it's fixed to like...
To certain regions and all like that.
I would like to believe that it's a pan-India thing. And with the state of how movies are doing right now, I think we should all just unite and make good stuff.
And I could see that you are uniting with a lot of projects. And on that note,
trying, yes.
I enjoyed this unity right now.
Henna,
of
me
food
also. We
more
have to
than-
eat.
yeah.
I want to eat more of that. I'm
This
not
one,
done
right.
yet.
Of course,
Yeah,
we can
before
eat this. Looking
Great.
forward to see more of you. And whenever this episode airs, you know, we are going to see Ada Ka Jalwa right in front of everyone out there, only on Zoom.